Discover the slab temperature maintenance. Induction heating system from Hebei. Yuantuo Induction Heating Systems Co. Ltd. This system features high-power dual rectifier MEDIUM frequency power supplies that can operate independently or in parallel. It is suitable for slabs with widths ranging from 200 to 1,500 mm and lengths from 3,000 to 12,000 mm, with a production capacity of 40 to 300 tons per hour. The multi-shaft feeding system is driven by independent motors, combined with infrared temperature measurement and PLC automatic temperature control technology, achieving precise temperature regulation and stable heating to ensure high-quality heat treatment results. The intelligent industrial control computer provides real-time data monitoring and equipment protection, improving production efficiency and reliability. Yuantuo specializes in customized induction heating solutions, dedicated to helping steel mills achieve intelligent and efficient production. Contact US to learn more about our products.